Shine.
My only sun.
Shine.
The dog is in and she'll fix you up. If you're a toy, then you're in luck. It's okay, don't be afraid. The dog really knows her stuff. Do, 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 you know it's... Hi guys, so today we are going to be unboxing this. What do you call this, Ate
Doctor's
Craig?
bag set.
Doctor's bag set. And today we have Ate Craig to help genre.
Genre, you sing. Time for your... Sing ka muna. Time for your checkup. Time for your checkup. Do you want me to open it?
Oh no.
Okay. Whoa. So, genre, what's this for? Wow! Check your ears, check your eyes, find out how much you've grown. What's that for? Ah, there. Wow! Wow! Jenna, what's this?
Wow, it lightens up.
This is a stethoscope. You do it like this. You press this and they come to life. And then you press it again, then they don't come to life. You put this on your ear and you listen to their heartbeats, fix you up, ready to go. What does it say? Wow, this is your very own ID. Pag kukuha siya ng driver's license, meron na siyang valid ID.
Ang pangit mo naman mag-joke, Ate Craig.
Wow! Now you can put all of your tools inside this bag. This is for your boo-boos. Look. Wow. What does it say? Time for your...
Oh, Dun, 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 time for your checkup.
Time for your checkup. I'm gonna check your ears, check your eyes, find out how much you've grown.
Oh, sick.
Oh no, sick.
The thermometer. No, this is not the thermometer. This is the thermometer. Put it under her kilikili. Oh. Now check it if she's hot. Is she sick? Oh, okay. What's this for, genre? Okay. Check her heartbeat. Listen to her heartbeat. Fix her up. Ready to go. Time.
Ketchup.
Time for your ketchup. Genre, look. She has a boo-boo over
Oh
here.
no.
Oh, what do you want to do? Do you want to put Band-Aid on it? Okay, go on. Put it. Okay, Genre, put this over the boo-boo, okay? There. Good job! High five! Good job.
You go kiss the boo-boo. So it goes away. Oh, hug mo siya.
Good job. Huh? You're sick? Oh, you also have a boo-boo? What do you want me to do? Do you want me to put Band-Aid on it too? Where's your boo-boo? Oh no. Here you go, Janwa.
He's so hot. Oh
I'm sick, Janwa.
no. Okay, it's time for... Dun, dun, dun. Time for your checkup. Time for your check. I'm gonna check your ears.
Check your eyes, find out how much you've grown. Time for your check. I'm gonna listen to your heartbeat. Fix you up, ready to go. Time for your checkup. It's okay if you giggle. This would only tickle a little. Time for your checkup. Brianna.
Dr. Genre.
Dead genre.
Oh no! Ate Craig is dead! Let's do CPR.
What?
Sit ka daw, Ate Craig.
I'm dead. Blood, 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 and death. Oh!
Dead ka.
Okay, let me peel it off. Good job! How are you feeling? Your heartbeat is strong. Who gave this to you?
Mama, tatay.
Yeah. What will you say to them?
Tatay.
How about Mama?
Mama, Mama.
Oh, where's Mama?
Mama.
How about Mama? What will you say to her? What will you say to Mama?
This, Mom.
How about Ate Bjork?
This,
How about Ate Craig?
this, the
How about Genre?
This, yeah.
Good job. Dr. Genre, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Dr. Genre.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, ikaw nga?
This, two.
You are my sunshine,
Shy.
my only sunshine.
Shy.
Okay. Hi.
Hi. Mama, here go, Mama. Here go, Mama. Here go.
Okay, can you count?